Hi friends, it is Friday. Oh, I just left the office and it's gloomy outside, but I don't care. I am going to make the best of this weekend. I'm determined to make the best of the weekend. Tonight, the husband and I are going on a date, a kidless date. We typically take our girls with us everywhere we go when we have the free time to do so. But you know, I love them so much and I enjoy every bit of time that I have with them. But tonight, they will not be with us. We are going to break away from the stresses of the week, and we're not going to be parents for a couple of hours. We're going to be husband and wife, boyfriend and girlfriend, and I am really looking forward to that. I do have to admit, I'm tired, and I would love to just come in, take a shower, wash off this Friday, and just relax. But we really need this, and you know, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna rest when we get in, so I'll try to take you along with me. Washing clothes is one thing. Putting them away is totally another. So I'm having to tackle all of the clothes that have been just laying around waiting for me to do this long-awaited task. I got my Bath and Body Works haul and I want to share it with you all. And I shared my fall and winter room spray haul, and when I got these in yesterday, I knew for sure that I was going to have to do the same thing and let you know what I purchased from Bath and Body Works during the $3.50 sale. And so excited to share these with you. Some of these scents I've smelled before. A lot of them in here, I just looked at the website and said, let me just try it. When I took them out of the box yesterday, I smelled the top and they smell pretty decent. And some of these I get in the candles. So here is Endless Weekend. I think that's a classic. Watermelon Lemonade, I think, is also a classic. Smells good. The sugared watermelon, it's okay. You know, it's definitely not a favorite and probably won't be a favorite of mine. Hibiscus Waterfalls is a new one that I am going to try. Flamingo Beach is a new one. Gingham, we love gingham in the lotion and the body spray. So that one was a fun one to get. Island Margarita, I love that scent. It smells really good. I have a candle in that. Hibiscus Waterfalls, that one is a new one and it was nice and clean. Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit, a lot of fruity scents, huh? Pink Apple Punch smells really yummy. And Mango Mai Tai is a good one. And I also purchased Strawberry Pound Cake, but my youngest daughter loved it so much that she took it out of the box yesterday, and she uses that over in her bathroom along with her sister. So they have already started to use that one, and it smells pretty good. I don't like the cake smells or the baked good smells, but that one was just a gamble, and it actually turned out pretty decent. So that is my Bath and Body Works fragrance room sprays. Okay, me and the oldest is now getting ready to go to the gym and spend some time there, get our hearts pumping and our bodies moving. And I need to also make a list of the things that I need to get done today. I do know I am going to ride with the hubby to go grab some some things from the store. I need some things from the store like shower gel, mouthwash, you know, little things like that. I am attending an event for the high school kids that are in choir, and there is a special young lady that is performing tonight, and I need to go and get her a gift, and I need to straighten up when possible. But right now we're headed to the gym to sweat just a little bit. All right, let's get ready to go. We survived. My co-partner, my partner in crime, she doesn't want to be on camera. I just want to let you know we survived. I tried to get the oldest to come up here with us immediately after I worked out, just to come out. I mean, it's so beautiful today, and ride with us. And of course, with her being a teenager, she wanted to be at home. And the youngest is with friends at a fishing derby, and she just sent me a text saying that she caught the biggest fish. So I can't wait to see what she caught, and I hope that it's on a picture and she doesn't bring the fish home. Friends, I am so glad that you stayed and watched this video. It was just a regular weekend, but I wanted to vlog it and take you along with me. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified of upcoming videos. And don't forget to like this video. That means a lot to me. And until next time, have a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.